Hey there, Eric. Today I'm going to be showing you a few things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, you're probably sitting there wondering, why would I want to do any of this? When it comes to the world of the internet, you probably find yourself too busy managing your day-to-day business to figure out how the internet can benefit you or your company. You may have hesitated to hire someone in the past because you weren't sure if they're an expert or not. I found by giving people this free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free, it still resulted in all these local business owners raising their hands at the end and saying, I like you, Munther. Please do the same for me. So if you like what you've seen, you like what you've heard by the end of the video, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you want to take this free attack plan and do it on your own, that works for me too. Now let's get right into it. So we're going to take a look at one of your top competitors' website over here. So I checked online and I couldn't find your website. It seems as though it's either inactive or disabled. So for now, let's take a look at your top competitor. I'm going to show you what you're missing out on by not having a website which is actually working and ranking for specific buyer intent keywords. Taking a look at your top competitor, we can see that their website doesn't have a lot of content over here. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to actually get your website up and running. Make sure you have a lot of content. Get at least 1,500 words of written content on your front page. That way you'll be bringing in a lot of customers by beating your top competitor in that aspect. When it comes to content, Google wants to see at least 1,500 words to rank well. This is more important now more than ever, specifically with Google's recent updates, their core updates. They prioritize good content and they reward good content by giving those websites higher rankings, pushing them to the top and exposing them to more potential clients. So get your own website, make sure it's up and running, get your homepage with 1,500 words of written content. Now, if we take a look at your top competitor over here, they're bringing in 116 clicks every single month. Now that's a lot of potential customers you're missing out on by not ranking for those keywords that are actually bringing them in traffic. If we take a look at said keywords, we can see over here some high-hitting keywords with buyer intent behind them. Foundation repair, Des Moines, Iowa foundation repair. You can see quite a few of them over here. These ones, specifically the ones that they're in the top positions for, are bringing them in a lot of traffic. Look at this, 46 clicks every single month for this keyword right here. Now, I know you're based out of Cedar Rapids, but Des Moines is maybe an hour and a half drive, and you're going to get high-ticket jobs, which may be worth it in terms of distance. So that's definitely something you want to consider. Take a look at some keywords you can rank for over here. You can see quite a few of them. Now, if we take a look at Cedar Rapids itself, you do also have keywords with buyer intent behind them. Some high-ticket keywords such as bathroom remodel Cedar Rapids. However, you only have 20 searches every single month. In comparison to Des Moines, we can see that we have much higher volume in terms of keywords. Now, you definitely want to take advantage. Maybe make a back page or make it your primary page. You can do either. Get a back page, specifically a location page for each service you want to provide. You could make a basement page for Des Moines. You can make a foundation repair page for Des Moines. You can make a bathroom remodeling page for Des Moines. You name it. Get those pages up and running. Get them ranking for those keywords, and you'll be beating your top competitor, and you'll be bringing in the traffic that you deserve. Now, if we take a look at Des Moines itself, just searching for the keywords, or basically the buyer intent keywords, you can see you have a lot over here. You have bathroom remodel Des Moines, roof repair Des Moines. I'm just giving you some ideas that you might want to consider. These are some services you definitely want to make sure you have up and running and showing in your website, your actual website. Now, when we search, for example, for foundation repair Des Moines, we can see that your top competitor, as expected, right at the top, Iowa foundation repair. Another important section over here are the Google Map Pack businesses, or the Google business pages. In the Map Pack, we see a company's name, address, and phone number. And now, in case you're wondering how would I go about ranking up in the Google Map Pack, well, you're going to want to get citations. Specifically, you're going to want to get more citations than your top competitors. Get the citations you're missing out on. This is a paid tool we use over here. It's called WhiteSpark CA. We can see some of the citations that you have and some of the citations your top competitors have over here. We can see you're missing out on quite a few of those. So I would say, just to be on the safe side, get 200 to 300 for your Google business page. Now, the third and one of the most important aspects is link juice. once you get your website up and running, you're going to want to get referring domains. So link juice is basically when website A points to website B, passing on power and passing on sort of like a vote of popularity. It gives it power, strength, and authority, specifically when it's relevant links actually pointing towards your website. So home remodeling, maybe plumbing, whatever services you actually provide, you're going to want to get links pointing towards pages which mention those services, to be specific. Now, what you can do is you can get a paid tool such as Ahrefs, so you can use SEMrush. You can choose a similar tool and basically figure out which referring domains are actually passing on power towards your top competitor. Get those referring domains, get a little bit more, and you'll be beating them in no time. If you apply what I've shown, so get your website up and running, make sure you get enough content there, get your service pages relevant to the services you actually provide. Try to strategically target keywords with high buyer intent behind them. Get your citations, get 200 to 300 minimum, specifically for your Google business page. And basically you're going to want to get citations including your name, address, and phone number. Input it into directories such as Yelp, Yexstar, Yellow Pages. Input those citations into those websites to build up your ranking of your Google business page. Also get referring domains or link juice relevant to your niche. Check out your top competitors' ones. Get the same ones, get a little bit more, and you'll be number one across Google in no time. You'll be getting 116 traffic or even more if you do things right. So what you can do is you can take what I've shown in this video, you can apply it on your own, or if you want the most effective route, you can shoot me a message or give me a call and I can help you out. Thank you for your time, Eric, and good luck.